Welcome to Plenty of Fish. Let's dive into signing up using your phone. First, head to your app store and search for Plenty of Fish. Once you find it, tap download and wait for it to install. Open the app once it's ready. Now, select Join for free. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and a password. Next, fill in your profile details like your name, age, and location. Be true to yourself. Upload a profile picture that represents you well. A friendly smile goes a long way. Finally, review your profile and hit save. You're all set to explore POF. Now it's time to explore. Discover how to browse profiles and send messages. To send a message, just tap on the user you like and hit message. Start chatting. Don't forget to check notifications. It keeps you updated on new messages and matches. Make sure to explore the features like Meet Me and Who Viewed Me for a better experience. As you explore, stay safe. Always share what you're comfortable with and trust your instincts. And that's it. Welcome to Plenty of Fish. Happy dating!